Hello and welcome to our training on useful e-tools for language teachers. So this is how the course looks like, and we have on this side some tabs like modules, assignments, discussions, pages, people, and files. If you're not familiar with Canvas, it's a very easy to navigate. So right here in the introduction, we have an introduction to the course. So every time that you see one of those tabs, you want to click on them and all the information will be right there. Course description, objectives, components of the course, and if you click next right here, it will take you right into the next item, the my presentation. And if you keep clicking on that little tab down there, it will keep bringing up the next item. So as you can see, it's very simple to navigate. If you want to go back to the home page or the modules, they will show you all the different items that need to be completed for you to complete your training. So I hope you learn a lot. In the first module, we will go over screencasting and how this tool can enhance listening skills, and the second module about writing skills using Sway, and module 3, how students can take advantage of programs like Audacity that allows them to record their own materials. So welcome to the class and thank you so much for signing up.